Hello my beauties and welcome to another fashion video with me. Videos for you who love comfort and style in shoes, and who doesn't like it, right? I want to present you two pair of beautiful and very stylish shoes that I got from Vivaia. And this company specializes on sustainable shoes who made from recycling materials. For example, each pair of shoes made from 6 plastic bottles. They write about that on packaging. And this is rather incredible, I think, and rather cool. And another thing, they are extremely comfortable. Even when it goes to heels. I order one of my shoes, is a Slingbox with a heel. I think it's not easy to find such a pretty color. Plus, I like in that shoes they're soft and comfy, and at the same time, look at them. They come in a fabric who is very durable, like you see, very strong, thick fabric. And for me, they resemble one model of Dior shoes that I saw on Dior website. I will show you picture. They're really pretty. Really pretty shoes. And elegant. And I think they be both nice with a jean and with dresses. What do you think, guys? Like you see, they made very nicely. Each detail is beautiful. I already tried them. But I still want to show you how they packed. Very nicely packed. And they come in extremely fast. I was waiting basically 4 or 5 days. And these beauties came to me. Second pair of shoes that I choose is a black flats. What is very special with them, you can wash them in washing machine. This I love. They are pointed toe. Ballerina shoes who flexible like that. You can put them together in your bag and take with you to some fashion event where you can easily change to these shoes if you be tired from your heels. Isn't it amazing? But mostly I bought them to use in a job because like Vivaia promised us, in these shoes you feel you exactly like in slippers. I will tell you later, of course, my review after I use them a bit, what I think. So please don't forget to subscribe and follow my video. After 1 month use, I will give you exactly review how durable and how they be after washing in washing machine, after using days and nights. I think they are very good for dress up and dress down and be nice with any kind of outfit. I think they are very good with neutral outfit, with pink outfit, whatever. Even now I can use them, they be still very nice and beautiful. But of course I pick up them mostly for job, because if you see a heel area here, they have some padding. And this protects us from bruises and blisters. I don't know if you see that padding very good. This protects our legs so we can use them all day long and keep us healthy and nice. This is my short video about Vivaia. I will show you some outfits. And if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will be happy to see you in my next video. Bye bye.